Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, Small Life Philippines. It's Tuesday afternoon and we're here in SM Clark, Pampanga, and we're celebrating right now the Chinese New Year. And I want to say all people there are
Hi guys, again. Yes, today first day of Chinese New Year, and we go to SM Clark and show to you. I've used small camera DJI Nano. Noodles.
You want try first? You can put in
No, I don't want.
It's good. It's not so salty.
No, I don't want.
Try first.
I don't want. Even this, I'm not hungry.
Remember we eat in Walkie Street before with noodles?
Where?
Walkie Street before. It's Vietnamese.
Ah, Vietnamese restaurant.
Yes, it's good.
Ah, okay.
It's pad thai.
Pad Thai restaurant. But I'm not hungry. I eat already before good.
So later you're gonna eat.
No, I can eat now. It's no problem. You eat first. No. For me, water important. Ah, you need mix with lemon.
Can I have this one again?
Yes, okay. Good.
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 Same like mula lang.
It's beef or chicken?
It's beef.
Beef?
Yes. That's why it's same like mula lang.
No, soup is good. You need more soup. Eat. much? 25? Аватар. We planning go to the Clark, but Shira said cloudy in the Clark and maybe start rain. You see, in the Clark already, maybe big rain, yes. So you want to go to home?
Yes, I need to buy some.
Food? Where you want to buy food? Shira, McDonald's and SM have different McDonald's. She don't like SM. Heavy traffic now. Time now 6:17.
4:07, we need to go.
Okay. Oh, Genesis bus to airport.